आज मैं कुछ ज्यादा ही एक्साइटेड हूँ बिकॉज आज मिलेगा जबरदस्त सिंधी पंजाबी फूड कॉम्बिनेशन. Have you converted her into a Sindhi or not yet?
Speak in Sindhi, baby.
की आयो खाना खा दो.
अरे वाह.
Yeah.
He doesn't know Sindhi by the way.
ये
नहीं,
क्या है?
छापा ही गाला है.
अरे
तव्हांखे
यार.
लॻंदो आहे कि मूंखे सिंधी न ईंदी आहे.
ॾाढो सुठो.
हाँ.
Well
Dado
done.
Sutto, I know.
You know, right? I'm Sindhi.
Yes, of course.
Okay. Yeah.
And you're married to a Punjabi.
I'm married to a Punjabi. Yeah.
Dal pakwan ka dal. This is Sindhi curry, you know, with rice. This is the Sindhi, and this is our healthy koki.
Oh, koki.
Made in Jawar.
Koki made in Jawar.
Yes.
I love koki. So I got introduced to koki only after meeting Jackie. I didn't know what is koki. I didn't know what is Sindhi food actually. Even the dal and
Koki, mom, dad in Delhi, Rakul's parents prefer koki over mischi ki roti.
yeah.
Koki and dahi.
What
What a combination.
Is the best. Or just sometimes koki achar and dahi. It's so satisfying.
How many can you have?
Two.
Please.
तव्हां enjoy
कयो.
कयो.
हाँ.
I told Karan once that I learned Sindhi because of कुछ कुछ होता है. तव्हां पास अची विया, हीअं मुस्कुराई विया, तव्हां मूंखे छा छा सपना हीअं ॾेखारे विया, हाणे त मुंहिंजो दिलि जॻंदो न सुम्हंदो आहे, छा करां मां थोरो घणो थींदो
No,
आहे.
I love